Hello and welcome to another one of our videos about cacao consciousness. I'm so excited because today we are going to make some ceremonial cacao. I have the cacao on the stove. We're going to take you through step by step how to make ceremonial cacao, and then we're going to talk about how to connect with the cacao consciousness. So make sure you watch this video till the very end because I have a bunch of free things to share with you to help you along this beautiful journey of connecting with the cacao consciousness. So let's begin by talking about the ceremonial cacao paste by the Goddess Temple Cacao and the ceremonial cacao powder. Now, why are we using both in our ceremonial cacao? Well, the paste gives us guidance from the earth, while the powder gives us guidance and connects us to the sun, which is the 528 frequency versus the 432 earth frequency. Now, traditionally, the paste has been used ceremonially to connect us to the earth and to support our body. And cacao has been guiding us to include now the powder as we experience an accelerated global awakening. So for every half a cup of ceremonial cacao, half a cup is the perfect size for you when you're starting your morning cacao ritual. So for every half a cup of cacao, you're going to put about 5 grams of paste. This is what the paste looks like, and about a teaspoon of powder. You might want to use one of these scales to measure 5 grams of the paste and a teaspoon of the powder for each half a cup of cacao. This is where you want to pour the cacao into a small pot with your own little wooden spoon that's dedicated for the cacao, and pour in your spring water and your cacao and stir frequently. Make sure the temperature's on low, and you want to stir for about 10 or 15 minutes. And experience an even deeper connection with the cacao consciousness. Get one of these liquid thermometers, and what you want to do is measure the heat until it reaches about 80 degrees without surpassing this temperature. And then you want to take a minute to connect to the cacao consciousness before you continue mixing it between 75 to 80 degrees for another 15 to 30 minutes. Another thing that's really special is to have your favorite mug dedicated for your cacao, for your sacred morning ritual. And so I have this one right here. I love this. Many of you see me always with this mug in my videos. I got this beautiful mug last time when we were hosting our last retreat in Peru, in the beautiful jungles of Peru. This was made in Peru, and so it's very special for me. And so make sure you have your own special mug that, again, just brings joy to your heart as well. And if you would like to purchase any ceremonial cacao, of course, you can go to thegoddesstemple.ca for cacao paste, cacao powder, or cacao tea, or any of the other cacao products that are there. And make sure you download this free printable. So there's either the recipe, which you can download for free, or this printable that is actually double-sided. Look how cute this is. Double-sided. And then you fold it. And it's called the Morning Cacao Ritual. It's going to help you to set up your morning cacao ritual. It's going to help to explain what is cacao, the recipe, how to make the cacao, how to connect with the cacao consciousness. There's even a cute little daily tracker here, really just for coloring every single day when you're starting, so that you can follow through with at least 28 beautiful days drinking your ceremonial cacao. So make sure you download that at thegoddesstemple.ca. Also, there are so many videos here on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. Every single week I post a new video helping to share the story of cacao, share the sacred lineage, share the insights that are coming to me, and as well to my beautiful friend Constantine, and who also has an incredibly sacred relationship with the cacao consciousness. So all this beautiful stuff, check out all the videos. You'll learn lots and lots and lots, and you'll connect so deeply. And any questions that you have, please reach out to me directly. I would love to hear your stories. I would love to hear how you're doing with the cacao, or even if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Ciao.